Welcome to the LifeRing Android smartphone training overview. To begin, click on the icon on your screen. It will open to your splash screen with patents and other information, and then open to the software, where you will see your own symbol as a green diamond in the middle of the map. At the top, you will note the word server is there, meaning you have connection to the server. The shortcuts on the side allow you to zoom in with the plus sign or by spreading your fingers apart on the map. You can also zoom out by using the minus sign or pinching your fingers together. You can push the map using your fingers to move around on the map and recenter using the circular icon. It will recenter on yourself or any symbol you have tapped on. Tapping and holding is how you are able to reach the features of LifeRing software. When you have not tapped on a symbol, these are the features you see. When you tap and hold on a symbol, you get a different set of features, which you can see here. We will go through each of these different lists of features. To begin with, we will use the detail feature. As it opens, you will see information either about a symbol that has been selected, or when you tap on a map, the blue crosshair will give you location information. This will provide you with latitude, longitude, last time a symbol is reported. You can also use the inset list to view other users on your map. The P-list will also give you the written names of these symbols. You can select another user from this list, and as that user is selected, you can view their latitude, longitude, GPS, the last time they reported in, even their heading speed and altitude by selecting them from the P-list. You can tap off of their symbol and use the center button to zoom back to yourself. The next feature we will look at is the emergency feature, which you can see is also on both lists. It will allow you to select Me, Report Emergency Yes, and you will see it flash as a triangle as well as having an E in the taskbar. All users can see you are in emergency. To remove it, tap on Me again and select Yes to cancel emergency. For another example, say there is a sniper. It lays a symbol underneath yours rather than putting your own symbol in emergency. You can see as we move away from it. To rid this, all you have to do is go back on the map selecting that symbol and delete. This will remove the emergency from all users' maps. The next feature we will do is the symbol feature. To work with symbols, you simply hit Create, select, I'm going to select a hostile ground unit. It places a symbol for whatever you've selected on the map. You can then move the symbol by selecting Move and then tapping elsewhere on the map as you see it move. It even leaves a trail behind it. As you can see, we can select Tail X, which allows us to choose minutes or points to limit that trail to. Or if we tap on Tail itself, it leaves the trail there all the time, regardless of if the symbol is selected. You also have text that you can add. Type or speak the text into the microphone button, and then simply hit OK, and it will attach to that symbol for all users to see. You can also use the photo feature to select a photo existing on your device, hit select, and it will also be a part of the symbol. You can go to the detail menu with that symbol selected to be able to see the photo using the photo button or the text using the amp button. All users are able to view this from their detail menus with this symbol selected. Next, we will use the camera feature, which allows you to take a photo from your device and will immediately place that photo with a symbol on the map where you are standing, where you took the picture. If you select and hold on both symbols, you will see a list pop up allowing you to select which symbol you would like to use. Once I select that symbol, I am then able to move it to whatever location I need, and you can view it using detail with the photo button, and of course you can delete once it is no longer needed. The next feature we will use is the chat feature. It will open, allow you to type a message and send to all users. They will hear a chime and be able to access their chat to view the message. Next, you can select Whiteboard. You have the option to read, draw, clear, or save. We're going to draw. Choose the color you would like by tapping on it, and you have the option of freeform, line, circle, square, or text drawing. I'm going to freeform draw. When I'm done, I can simply hit the back button to go about my normal features. Then I can re-access the menu, go back into Whiteboard, and I can choose to clear, save. I'm going to go ahead and clear. The next feature is the message feature, which is selected from the list off of a symbol. Select the message feature. It will open up to allow you to choose a text for this instance, where you can then, from the keyboard, speak or type your text message. You also have the option of selecting its priority or its classification, which is just informative, doesn't change the message. Then hit send to send it to all users. They can then open and read from their devices. Next is the photo message. When you open, you can select photo, then select a photo from your device. You can actually even annotate it using the same whiteboard drawing features, save, and then select to send out to all in the same manner as a text message. The next feature is the talk feature. If you select another user's symbols, you can call them, or using the nets feature, you can select a channel, make it primary, secondary, and select if it's active. The last thing is the PTT version, which you can access here or from the shortcut on screen. Tap and hold and speak your message and then let go. It will go out to all users. The next feature is your mapping feature. You can see internet maps, commercial maps, military maps, and what I'm using, image maps. You have the option to switch between them. The next off symbol feature is streaming, which will open a secondary software, allow you to stream live video for others to view. Using the back button, you can view LifeRing actually in the horizontal view. Now we look at settings. You can view about the software. You can view network settings, which allows you to select a server, to even enter a server. System setup allows you to view the handset name, GPS sleep override, different settings for your system. Display settings allow you to choose time, distance, coordinates, preferences. From there, map settings is a further way to specify the type of maps and grids that you want to use. And path settings allow where you select photos and videos to come from. To exit LifeRing, you can hit home to go to the home feature, but LifeRing will run in the background. As you see, it's still there when you open. To fully exit, hit the back button, select yes when it asks you to exit, and then you are fully exited from the software. This has been an overview of Android LifeRing software. For further information and training, visit www.agisinc.com. That's AGISINC.com, where you can view pocket guides, videos, and request full manuals.